Okay, baby, that was an exciting day of camping, but now it's time to go to sleep. Good night. What's that? You're hungry? Okay, one bottle, then we're going back to sleep. Okay, now it's time for bed. I'm still hungry. What was that? Did you talk? You're only 4 months old. I must be hearing things. I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry. Ah! Hello and welcome to Zero to Awesome, where today we're just kind of, out in the wilderness. You got me, you got Bob over here. Oh, you know what? We got a baby on a table over here. But you know what? She's a hungry baby. I know that because she told me so all night long. And we need to feed her. And to do that, we're gonna use a camping accessory that not many people know about. It's right up here. It is called the pie iron. So what is a pie iron? You wanna explain it? Okay, I'll do it. So it's basically this 2-foot stick thing here. It's got this little iron capsule on the end. It pops in half, just like this. You open it up. Also comes apart like that. And what you do is you take bread, tortillas, pie crust, whatever you want. You put one on each side, and then you fill it with kind of, again, whatever you want. You put it back together. And then you put it in the fire that I do not have going yet. If you don't have a fire though, you could also use a stove. It works on the stove too. And what it does is it makes like the best version of a Hot Pocket you can possibly imagine. So it does whatever you want. So we got breakfast here, you can do sandwiches, you can do desserts, you can do really anything. So just wanted to show this to y'all today because I did not know about this for a long time, and ever since I discovered it, it's been like the best thing ever. So we're gonna make a few things and show you how it goes. So what type of pie creation are we making first?
Breakfast tacos.
Okay. Breakfast tacos, we need tortillas. We need scrambled eggs that for once we made in advance. Got cilantro, cheese. Gonna butter these bad boys up. Bacon. And I also grilled up some onions and jalapenos before we left. First thing we're gonna do is spray our pie iron so stuff doesn't stick. You want a knife? You wanna butter me?
Yes, I wanna butter you.
You want the butter? Is that what you want?
Yum.
And then you're just gonna fill with whatever you like in your breakfast tacos. So I'm gonna do eggs, cilantro it up.
Since we have so much.
And then you just kind of carefully close them up. You want to make sure you get all your fillings sealed in there so they're not going to fall out. Now here's the controversial part about pie irons. Do you rip the extra bread off right now, or do you throw it in the fire and just let it burn off?
Rip it off.
Rip it off. If you leave it on, you just typically get like a bunch of charred bread all over your plate when you're done, so I like to rip it off first.
I need help. Rip off the Band-Aid. So we can save it for you.
And we have discovered that if you've got hot coals, the perfect amount of time is 2 minutes per side. So 2 minutes, flip them, 2 minutes.
Okay, if I get your colors out, you can't color on this. You have to color just on it. It's right there. See the white bag?
Yum.
And that looks pretty darn good. And it tastes hot. It's hot. But it's good. You want some? You said you were hungry. And while the coals are still hot, we're gonna make some sandwiches to take for lunch. We've got some pork here that I smoked the other day. We're gonna make smoked pulled pork sandwiches of sorts. For this one, we'll be using bread. Butter that up. The bread actually fits way better than the tortillas do in here. They sell different shapes of pie iron. So these ones are circle, they got square. I think they have some that are even bigger. So we're gonna do some barbecue sauce. The pulled pork. Cheese. Got some red onion. And a little bit of cilantro. And while we're cooking, I'll take a second to show you probably the second most unknown camping accessory that's amazing. So I have no idea what brand this is or where it came from. I'll try and find something like it and link to it in the description below. But this is a little collapsible table. It's lightweight, it's aluminum, and it's super convenient. Like, you wouldn't think about it, but whenever you're sitting down, you want somewhere to put your drink. If, you know, your cup holder in your chair is full of your phone and your kids' toys and things like that, got a little table right here. It's one of my favorite things that I have that I didn't know I wanted. Those are looking pretty good, but we're gonna have to go visit the drafts before we can break into these. This one knows a party trick. Okay, one more. Okay. Is it terrible?
Oh, wonderful. I'm like, what?
About that time. We skipped a pie iron dinner, but we're gonna do a pie iron dessert. So what have we got? We've got, well, that guy running over there, he's got pie crusts in his hands. You can't even see him, I don't think. We've got pie filling, we've got some chocolate, we've got some cheese, cream cheese spread, and we're gonna make what, like chocolate cherry cream cheese pie things?
And he has the pie dough.
Yeah, we gotta, hey, can we have the pie crust? Oh, thank you. Had a failure. The fire was too hot, at least on one side. I'm gonna try again. Much better. breakfast time again. It's gonna be a little bit different this time because we have, instead of bread or tortillas or anything like that, we've got waffles. So we're gonna take the waffles, put them in the pie irons. We've got peanut butter and banana for, I don't know, the people who like bananas. I'm gonna do peanut butter and bacon. And I mean, what's breakfast without breakfast dessert? Probably throw some of these in one too. And then we'll add some dark chocolate and a peanut butter cookie. Because you have to remember, the pie iron is only limited by your imagination. So you're saying it's terrible?
It's really good.
So to clean these things out, so we got some peanut butter in here, some waffle left in there. Scrape out as much as you can, then just throw it back together. Put it back in the fire and let everything in there turn to ash. And then once it's all burned out, it's just like a Dutch oven. You just scrape the rest of everything out, wipe it down with some cooking oil, good to go. So there you go. A bunch of tasty meals all out of one little camping accessory that not many people know about. Put these away for next time. We'll see you on the next one. Oh my God, did you just poop while we're filming? Hey, are you making the entire bench purple? Is it gonna pick your nose? Good job, that's a good purple bench. Now you may be saying that this is a waste, but the thing is, what are you eating right now?
Is that yummy?
Are you gonna eat all those?
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck.